not happen today. You need a time, that's someone. So that you will share. Alum Shabab al Gadina Belkatir Gadaru. I will be Makan al Awala because the next stage. And likewise for the rest of the people who are behind. When we are putting the only things into hands. And this workshop work out a lot. And we share the ideas between youth, government and private sectors. And that's some organization that sponsored this workshop to be offered. This workshop for 2 days give us something different. And I would like to appreciate each and everyone who attended. And let me hope for next time this is not the only. In the garden Zamantani, because now we learned from the peace building how to maintain and inherit the peace in the community or in the family. And we learned from agriculture. We learned from the private sector, especially those of the Tijara. This is like training. And a lot of things. Because markets will know with a lot of value. Everything was learned on the edge. Now we are assured. But a bit. If you don't want to teach your child, will go wrong ways. But if you keep insisting, as well they'll begin as zaman time, because it is something like the sound that about Shabab, they intervene in a lot of things like drug abuse, fighting, gang violence. This one will stop. We will not continue like this. Because when we accept that something change, we appreciate that. When we accept something to change, we have to implement. Because shame, if you don't want to change, the shame might come itself and change you. Because the time will determine. Zaman ita bakali ajat kap, ito kun zol maksud fi hilla wal fi wasra. Ella, if you end up on the street like that, it will be your own problem. But kan zol daro galo haja kata mun da kalta, ثلاثة مرات 4 مرات وبسال نفس البراءة سيد ده حقيقة ولا ده كذب then you will analyze if it is true. Now it will give us a joy and encouragement and ask about with our Kuma, with our private sector and some organization are telling us that you do this. We are on the way now to see what you can provide to your children. And I would like to stop here because someone might. Thank you.